SkinGenie AI is a brand new AI tool that's just been released. And if you're wondering if it's worth your time, you've come to the right place. I'll be diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about SkinGenie AI. So stick around to the end to get the full picture. Now, SkinGenie AI isn't just another typical AI software. It's designed to help with skincare management, allowing users to get personalized recommendations and analysis based on their skin type, goals, and preferences. If you're into skincare or you're looking to level up your routine, this could be the software for you. The first thing you need to know about SkinGenie AI is its unique skin analysis technology. It uses machine learning to analyze your skin by taking a photo through your phone's camera. This analysis is pretty accurate, giving you insights into things like moisture levels, wrinkles, and other common skin concerns. This isn't just some vague advice. It's an AI-backed analysis with tailored suggestions. One thing that makes SkinGenie stand out is its ability to provide personalized skincare recommendations based on your specific skin profile. Once the software has analyzed your skin, it suggests products that are actually going to work for you, not just generic, one-size-fits-all solutions. This kind of personalization is game-changing, especially if you've been wasting time on products that don't suit your skin type. Another great feature is the virtual skincare coach. You get real-time advice based on your progress. As you upload pictures and track changes over time, SkinGenie updates its recommendations to make sure you're on the best path to achieving your skincare goals. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning about your preferences and adapting to your routine. Now, if you're someone who's concerned about integrating AI into something as personal as skincare, SkinGenie has done a solid job with user privacy. Your photos and data are encrypted, and they don't sell your information to third parties. This is crucial in today's digital landscape where privacy is a top concern. Another advantage of SkinGenie AI is its accessibility. It's not just for skincare experts or enthusiasts, anyone can use it. The interface is intuitive, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants to get into personalized skincare without having to deal with complicated settings or interfaces. So, what's the catch? One of the things to keep in mind is that the software, while effective, works best when you're consistent. You have to keep updating your skin photos regularly to get the most accurate recommendations. If you're someone who's not committed to maintaining that consistency, the app might not be as useful. Finally, if you're interested in trying out SkinGenie AI, there's a free trial available, and you can access it right now through the first link in the description below. It's totally worth trying if you're serious about improving your skincare routine and embracing the latest in AI-powered personalization. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked my top recommended AI software for various needs. You can find them in the description, along with links to try them out for free. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how SkinGenie AI can transform your skincare routine today.